Some of us have a bad habit that whatever we eat, we throw its wrappers, bottles, and tin bags openly. Wherever we go to any park, stadium, playing ground, we see this scene everywhere around us. If we are traveling by local bus, we eat anything, we thrown its wrapper or wastages inside or outside. Our bus stops, railway stations, and roads are not clean, and we are responsible for it because we are not built the culture of cleanness. Whole society responsible for it. It is necessary for us that we must produce the culture of cleanness in our society. We can save us from disease by cleaning our environment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.